to Louisville Assembly Plant, home to the first universal electric vehicle. Between Marshall, Michigan and Louisville Assembly, Ford is investing $5 billion and creating nearly 4,000 jobs. This factory is changing right before my eyes. We put millions of hours into it. There's still a lot of work to do. Let's go check out some progress. We poured over 230,000 square feet of concrete, or 3 entire soccer fields. We placed over 17,000 feet of conveyor. If you stack those vertically, you'd reach nearly 12 Empire State Buildings high. But the biggest breakthrough is the work we did to get here, tearing up the moving assembly line to create the universal EV production system. Here is the first branch of the assembly tree. This is where we assemble the front of the vehicle. Traditionally, when a rear and a front of the vehicle are assembled in body shop, operators have to bring parts into the vehicle by sitting and twisting and turning. Now, parts are going to be accessible right in front of them with a clear line of sight. The rear of the vehicle is the second branch of the assembly tree. What's unique about the rear is that it doesn't have a floor or a front. As we were trying to engineer this, we were trying to figure out how are we going to hold this, what are we going to do with it? Then we came up with the idea, put all of the parts inside the vehicle. Typically when operators have to go get a part, they have to go walk and get their part and then bring it back. The vehicle's gonna bring the parts to the operator. Operators will be able to keep their eyes forward and focused on installing their parts. As the team thinks about affordability, the best part is no part, and if we have a part, it serves multiple functions. This is it, the third branch of the assembly tree, the battery line. The battery is the floor. Traditionally, interior components like seats and carpet, we install through the door openings. Not on this vehicle. We install it on top of the battery and assemble the battery into the vehicle. This is marriage. For the first time, we are assembling components in the rear and the front, joining them together in final assembly, something that's typically done in body shop. The only way it was made possible was the combination of the startup mentality and the industrial might of Ford. Behind me is living proof that we're making history at Louisville Assembly Plant.
Für mehr Videos einfach abonnieren.